Today's chart is from Our World in Data, which is one of my favorite sites. It shows how forecasting errors have decreased over time, and it's recorded in something called track miles. Track miles is how many miles off the forecast is from a hurricane's actual location. I think the multiple lines is a really good way to measure all of the timelines against each other in a similar fashion. Track mileage is a little hard to understand as a concept, but I think when you read out the words, you can understand that this specific error window in this specific decade had a track mileage of this. I took this graph as like proof that forecasting has been increasing over time in a pretty good way. And a big part of that is for a few reasons. I know that machine learning has really came into the forefront. We also just have so much data. With atmosphere, the biggest thing is that it's a chaos problem. And a chaos problem just makes it so there are so many elements at play that it's really hard to get a definitive answer. However, the more data we have, the more we can narrow that gap. And that's kind of what you see in this chart.